Everybody, in this video, I am going to discuss what is primary key in DBMS. This is a very important question in DBMS subject. First of all, we need to define the primary key. First point is the primary key selected from one of the candidate key. So primary key selected from one of the candidate key and become the identifying key of a table. This is the unique identifier of the table. Next point, primary key is a unique key which will identify only a single row in the table and only that single row alone. It will allow uniquely identify each row of the table to identify uniquely for each row in a table. Third point, the value of the primary key can never be null. In case of primary key, the attribute must have a value. It can never be a null. Next point. Values of a primary key can never be changed. We cannot change or update the primary key values. The values of the primary key can never be changed. It is a stable value. Next. Primary keys are not necessarily to be single column. More than one column can also be primary key. So in a table, if there are two attributes that are uniquely identified in the table, they are considered as the primary key. So it can be single attribute or multiple attributes. Let us consider the example. This is the table student which consists of name, role and marks. Here role is the primary key. Why is the role is the primary key? Because for each row, one cannot be present in another row. That is A170, name of two students can be same, marks of two students can be same, but role of two students cannot be same. That's why they are considered to be a primary key. So it is a very important table or relation. A table which consists of a primary key is known as strong entity set, and a table which have not any, which does not support any primary key means they are weak entity set. So primary key is important concern for any table because they are uniquely identify each row of the table. So thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.